Revolgan's boy toy. Wahoo! Wahoo! Oh my god! What? What? Huh?
Who are you?
Huh?
Don't play dumb with me.
Huh?
If you think you can fool me, you're sorely mistaken. I know the Major better than anyone else. I'll take it from here.
Are you going to kill him?
Of course. But first, I will make him pay for hurting Ivan.
That's his name? Oh my god. What the huh? Oh, she could... Maybe she couldn't watch. I'd like to hope so. This is a good fetish. I mean, this is sex. This is also sad. It's sex though. He really does care for Ivan though. I thought it was just like a physical thing. I really do think the boss. I think the boss. I don't think the boss is evil. I think she I think she left because she couldn't. No. I mean, I'm conflicted. I'm conflicted. Right? It's hard, but I mean, it's hot. It's oh god, it's hot. Oh god. Oh my god. Oh god. But also, oh my. I also I definitely think there's something up with the boss because one thing that I see is that she can't really she always leaves when he's getting like fucked up, but like properly like fucked up. Like she never wants him to see him die. And I think that's intentional. I think there is something going along with Mama. I don't know. I don't know whether she's like some kind of like double agent or whether like she has her complex good reasons. But I think she's still I think she's still really she's still obviously very much cares for she very much cares for Snake. Yeah. Yeah, no, exactly. She's a mama bear. But I think she really does want. I think she because like she was also very insistent on having him Snake kill her. I think there's something up with that. It's I don't know. Even just thinking about it makes me cry. I'm sorry. So why the hell did she defect? I don't know. Even just thinking about it makes me cry because like you could. I'm sorry. I'm being teary-eyed because like you could tell through like all of their interactions that like the boss and yeah, okay, please don't spoil anything. Please don't spoil anything. Please don't spoil anything. I am just yapping. But you can tell. I'm sorry. I'm crying. You can tell through like all of their interactions that the boss and Snake care for each other so much. Like especially like I don't know. There's like a certain amount of fondness in her voice when she talked about like how she and him developed PQC. I don't know. I would like to believe in the boss. I would like to believe in the boss. Maybe she's not necessarily a good person, but I'm interested in seeing why she defected, because I think she has her reasons. It wouldn't, like, maybe they don't necessarily excuse what she did, but it'll be interesting to find out. I am interested to learn more about Volgin too. I'm sorry, this game is so cool. This game is so cool. This game is so cool. It's so cool. It's interesting as well because, like, I don't know, you get to, like, learn so much about the enemies. Like, even though you get to learn about why they are the way they are. Like, that was one thing that really got me in MGS1, where, like, when, like, you know, I guess it's maybe a bit corny for them to dump on your backstory while they're dying, but it's interesting to know, like, even though they are your enemies, they are still people behind all that. Does that excuse what they do? No, but they are still people, and, you know, killing people is lately bad. The boss is Japanese VA. We're gonna quoting some lines. Yeah, I don't know. It's just their relationship. I don't know why, but something about their relationship makes me so emotional. Like that's his mum. That's his mum. Yeah. Yeah, sorry about that, chat. Sorry about that. Do you think maybe should we watch the next cutscene? Or should we move into yapping before we finish stream? What do you guys think? Just watch. Okay. I will wait for the cutscene to end. Oh wait, no, I will wait for the you want to watch it? Okay. All right. I will wait for the ads break to end. I will wipe my eyes because I am kind of. I'm sorry. I am crying right now. I'm sorry. I love this game so much. It's. Okay. Yeah. I will see you guys in a moment. Okay. I'll see you guys in a moment. I love this game so much. Oh my god. We are back. But yeah, I think this game is really something special. Like, I haven't played MGS5. Don't spoil anything for me, please. Read the fucking disclaimer. Read the disclaimer. You guys are talking awfully menacingly about the upcoming cutscene. Oh!